Maayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Siquijor. For today's video, bisitahin natin ang bagong Salagdoong Beach sa Maria, Siquijor. For many months now, Salagdoong Beach has been restricted only for sightseeing and picture taking. However, picnic, swimming, and cliff jumping have been temporarily banned while the provincial government of Siquijor undertakes much-needed rehabilitation to the area. So, ano nga bang mga nagbago? Una, dinimolish ang main restaurant at mga nipa cottages upang maging mas malawak ang beach. Pangalawa, dinimolish din ang dating seawall sa side na to for a wider beach. Clearly, all these improvements are made for the benefit of swimmers. Once Salagdoong Beach reopens in a few months, sabi na rin mismo ni Siquijor Governor Jake Villa sa recent Facebook post niya. Please check the description and pin comment for the link. At dahil bawal pang maligo dito sa Salagdoong Beach, tara na't ipagpatuloy natin ang Siquijor Day Tour as we go to the municipality of Enrique Villanueva para makakain ng masarap at bagong lutong pandipogon from Lilibet's Pan Bisaya. Super sold out talaga ng mga hot bread nila kaya di ko na nakunan video. Di na kami nag-explore sa mga tourist sites ng Municipality of Larena dahil may hinahabol na 4:30 PM ferry ride sila Kuya Ikoy, Peter at Joy pabalik ng Dumaguete. Thank you for visiting our beautiful tiny island of Siquijor. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid and we explored Salagdoong Beach in Maria, Siquijor. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!